Hello, New Horizon Services Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Rich and Carol would be the correct person to watch this video, so I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as education and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you are already working with a SEO agency, this video will show you what you currently have going behind the scenes of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors around your area. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. Strong colors, I like it. I did notice that the phone number is not clickable. It's a good feature to have. If I were to find your website on my cell phone, I would like to click on your phone number and contact you for your services. It's just a good feature, easy navigation for the end user. There's not a lot of content here. Again, with the phone number, it's not clickable. Email, I don't think I see it on here. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and the level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. So just be careful on that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and that doesn't fall well under your website or company. Let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool. It's a great platform to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. Currently, you have no keywords, no traffic going onto your website, meaning no people are not jumping into your website. Referring domains, no data. Backlinks, no data. Pretty much don't have anything going on. This second thing I like to make you aware of is the backlinks here, this section here. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website, that's just going to hurt your website. Just make sure it's in regards to your industry or services. This can actually hurt your website, so be careful. Backlinks are your URL level here. You would see a meter if you were to have backlinks here. Right now you have nothing, so I really can't show you, but I will show you on your competitor's site. The third and final thing would be citations. A citation is essentially a company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That's pretty much what a citation is, and that would fall under the DR meter here. So pretty much I can't really get into since you don't have anything, but let's jump onto one of your competitors, Urban Roots Landscaping. This particular company are above you, obviously, and they are getting calls. As you can see in their background here, let me go back. This is just a keyword, which I'll show you in just a second. They currently have 129 keywords organic. Traffic 194, so there's almost 900 people jumping onto the website on a monthly basis. Referring domains 9, backlinks 31. The UR meter is only 8. The DR, they don't really have much, it's just 0.1. You want to keep this at a 1:1 ratio. Also, as you increase the referring domains, and the backlinks will improve on the UR and DR meter here. If you don't have relevant backlinks, it's not going to boost you or give you any boost, unfortunately. Just keep that in mind. So let's go back to the keyword section. This is what you want to see on your website. A good keyword would be, let's see, landscaper Tacoma, WA. That's one good one, or lawn care Tacoma, WA. If these are your services, which If I had to bet, you do offer these services. I may be wrong, but they are getting 150 searches inside of Google in a monthly basis. Tacoma landscaping itself is 500 searches per month. The keyword difficulty, this is at a very low. So this is, you don't need a lot of backlinks or citations to increase your rankings inside of Google. But this is unbelievable though. There's a lot of people searching for these services, but you're not getting found, unfortunately. So this is pretty much what I have for you. As you can well imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls, and leads. I'm sure you want those. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.